Hi, I'm Stephanie with Best Corporate Events, here to talk to you today about our virtual presentation tune-up. Maybe you're somebody who's been used to giving in-person presentations your whole life, speaking to an audience, getting reactions, getting laughs, getting applause, and all of a sudden we transition to this virtual environment where your world consists of speaking to a bunch of black boxes with nothing but people's names on them. So you may get a little engagement, you may not, you may get some response in the chat, but at the end of the day, you really have no idea if they're even responding to what you're saying. We'll start out by talking about engagement, which is one of the biggest challenges in virtual presentations. We'll talk about different ways to utilize some of the tools at your disposal, like the chat, the breakout rooms, reactions buttons, and some of the best way to maximize those so that you get continued engagement from your participants and they're not just sitting and listening to a presentation the whole time. We're also going to spend some time talking about retention because, believe it or not, people remember even less in a virtual presentation than they do when it's an in-person presentation. So we're going to teach you the 5 communication principles for retention to ensure that your participants retain the maximum amount of information. So whether you're a first-time presenter or you've been giving in-person presentations your whole life and you're just struggling with how to adjust to the new normal, contact us to find out how our virtual presentations tune-up can help you.